Hello our dear subscribers and channel guests. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so as not to miss our updates. If it's not difficult for you to put your finger on the top, we will be very pleased. Thanks in advance. Now let's talk about
fourth generation Audi A3 sedan. The Audi A3 sedan is a front-wheel drive premium golf-class sedan, aka C-segment by European standards, which boasts a stylish appearance. Modern and high-quality interior and balanced technical and operational qualities. The official premiere of the fourth-generation Audi A3 3-box took place a month and a half after the debut of the hatchback of the same name, on April 21, 2020, during virtual shows. Compared to its predecessor, the car has improved in all areas, from design to technical and technological stuffing. The exterior of the fourth-generation Audi A3 sedan is drawn in the same vein with the 5-door brother, which makes the car look beautiful, moderately aggressive and emotional. But at the same time quite solid. The premium sedan is 4,343 mm long, and its width and height are 1,816 mm and 1,449 mm, respectively. The center distance of the 4-door is 2,636 mm. And its ground clearance is 140 mm. Interior inside, the 3-volume model completely repeats the Sportback, an elegant and presentable design, well-thought-out ergonomics. Exceptionally expensive finishing materials, a high level of performance and a 5-seat layout with a good margin of free space in both rows of seats. In the arsenal of the compact sedan there is a trunk with a volume of 425 liters, correct in shape. Gallery is folded in 3 parts, opening and opening for transporting long items. Technical characteristics in Russia, the fourth Audi A3 sedan can be purchased in a single version, like the hatchback of the same name, 35 TFSI Tiptronic, which is driven by a 1.4-liter aluminum petrol, 4 TSI with turbocharging, direct injection, phase shifters on both camshafts and 16-valve timing. Generating 150 horsepower at 5,000 to 6,000 revolutions per minute and 250 Nm of peak thrust at 1,500 to 3,500 revolutions per minute. The engine works in tandem with an uncontested 8-band hydromechanical automatic that directs the entire power reserve to the wheels of the front axle. Design features from a structural point of view. The fourth-generation Audi A3 sedan does not differ from the Sportback. It is based on a modular MQB platform with independent front and rear suspensions, McPherson struts and multi-link, respectively, an active electromechanical amplifier and disc brakes. Circle, ventilated on the front axle. As an option, the car is equipped with either a sports suspension with a 15 mm lower ground clearance, or an adaptive chassis with electronically controlled shock absorbers. Configurations and prices in the Russian market. The fourth-generation Audi A3 sedan in 2021 is sold in 4 trim levels: base, advance, design and sport. At the same time, both in terms of cost and in terms of equipment, the 3-volume box echoes the hatch of the same name,